time, bro.
13. Okay. Rear wheels aren't like this anymore.
We're heading out to Spokane, LA 2 weekends from now. It looks like we're doing another thing with the Prelude, guys. We actually are. So today's video, we are going to be actually raising it up just a little bit, because I mean, we're not scraping crazy hard or anything. It's a little bit low from what we expected. So this side, you guys will see Ryan and Johnson right here. What's going on, guys?
Yes.
We're not. You double twisting? Oh my god, bro.
Why do you always come with the camera at the wrong fucking time, bro?
Double twisting. You kind of are double twisting here. Look at that. The front's already been done, correct? Or not yet?
Fronts are done.
The fronts are already done? Okay, great. So the reason why we're also doing this, guys, it's because we're heading out to Spokane, LA 2 weekends from now. And when we said we're based in California, we're up in the Bay Area. So San Francisco, this is like 6 to 7 hours away from Los Angeles, California. So we have to drive this car down south. We will be there. Again, if you guys didn't know that, we will be driving our 2026 Honda Prelude down to LA Convention Center for Spokane 2026. We are one of the sponsors and one of the partners for Spokane, LA. Anyways, if you guys are new here, do me a favor, man. Smash this like button down below and also subscribe for more PLM videos, and also subscribe so that you guys can see the progress of our 2026 Honda Prelude, getting some crazy mods into it and being the best, dopest build. Let's get into it. Oh yeah, that still looks good, but it definitely got a little bit higher compared to earlier.
So this is still the same 13.
Yeah, I would say it's a little bit higher than just a tad bit though, nothing crazy. So what do you think, Ryan?
Depends, honestly.
How do you feel about it?
It's not bad. It's functional now, which is good.
Yeah.
But to be honest, I wish it was kind of slow. I wish it was slow.
It's good. For me personally, I would rather go low, like really lower. I wouldn't say super low, but like you can still drive it. Maybe tucking it a little bit. I mean, I've driven lower cars for the past 8-10 years already. So
Oh, that doesn't matter though, because I'm measuring the height. I'm measuring the.
I would say the rear diffuser and also the front lip helped out a bit. It's because the aggressiveness, the looks. I mean, it just feels like it's still lower though. Like, look at this.
Yeah, they all match.
They all match. Nice.
Well, what's the verdict? So before, it was one crock.
Was it one Croc?
There was one Croc.
Oh, now what is it like?
Now it's like
2 Crocs?
one and a half Crocs. Yeah, 1.5 Crocs.
It's not bad. Well, what do you guys think, guys? Do you guys think it changed a little bit? Here's a before and after. This is the before, and this is the after. Johnson likes it, since it's not too low anymore.